You should try to start backing up before your car gets flooded. You want to see if you could try to get them to move over so that this car is up front? All right. Try to pull over. He's trying to pull over so the cars that are at the end can get out because the water is flooding up. I know, there's a couple of cops up there trying to clear the way. Try to back up. Try to see if you can back up a little bit so the cars that's stuck right here can clear before they get stuck. Yeah, they're trying to see if they could clear it. There's a few cars down there that's stuck, so they're trying to back the cars up, okay? They're trying to see if they can back the cars up. Yeah. Oh, it's flooded here too?
It's getting over there. No many people
my
are
gosh.
over there, you see? And the cop is trying to pass over there. I don't know how bad it is, but
it's flooded there and it's flooded here, so they're trying to see if they can get the cars that's deep in the hole down there to come back so they don't get stuck. There's like 3 cars blocking the way down there. Okay?
other cars are blocking that way too.
Oh my. You wanna help me? Let's see if we can get them to move over so those cars can move up.
It's really bad.
There's cars stuck there and there's cars stuck here. So what we're gonna try to do is see if we can make 3 rows because no one can go or come out.
I need to go to the first side.
Me too, I'm stuck. You can't pass over there. There's 3 cars that's blocking it. You can't go that way nor this way, so we're gonna try to see if we can get cars to back up so we can get 3 rows so we can clear out back there and here because either way we're stuck. Because there's cars right there that's really like getting flooded. There's like 3 that's stuck in the water.
Some of them are in the middle of the highway.
Yeah, let's see if we can just get them to start moving over, you know?
Yeah, because they're blocking the highway over there.
Yeah. Hi. Do you mind trying to get as close to the corner as you can so we can get some of these cars to move up? We're going to try to see if we can get 3 rows because there's cars that's stuck at that end and both ends we can't get out. All right? Yeah. Hi. Both sides are flooded. We can't get in or out. And there's cars that's stuck in the water and the water is rising. So we're trying to see if we can get folks to back up on the side as close as possible so we can at least get the middle free for the emergency units, okay? Hi.
Hi.
All right, do you mind seeing if you can get as far to the corner as possible?
Yeah.
Because both ends are blocked, and we're trying to see if we could create a lane for the emergency unit, okay?
No problem.
Thank you. Hello. Can you try and see if you could squeeze in as close to the corner as possible? Because we're blocked in on both ends. So we're trying to see if we could get a lane open for the emergency unit. All right? How you doing, my friend? Can you try to get close as possible to the corner? We're blocked in on both ends, and the water is rising on a couple of cars that's down there. So we're trying to see if we can make lane for the emergency unit. Okay? Thanks. Hello. So we're blocked in on both ends. We're trying to see if we could get cars to move as close as possible so we can make a lane for the emergency units. Okay? Huh?
What's happening?
So we're stuck basically. It was flooded on both ends. So
You told everybody
yeah,
to move
you
forward?
tell them. Just see, yeah, because these guys are getting flooded in as well.
Oh, God.
So we're trying to see if we could make a lane in the middle for either emergency unit or some of these cars to move up.
I'll move over to the side.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thanks. Hey guys, how you doing? We're trying to, so we're stuck on both sides. So we're trying to see if we could get the middle lane free, try to get cars to move over on both sides, so at least the tow truck can get in. All right, thanks. How you doing? We're trying to get cars to move over as far as to the corner as possible so we can get a lane in the middle for the emergency units and cars to get out, okay? How you doing? We're stuck on both ends. We can't get out. So we're trying to get those cars from not be flooded out. So if you could move up and get as close to the corner as possible, okay? Thanks. Hello. So we're stuck on both ends. We can't get anywhere. So these cars that's here are going to be flooded as well as the ones up top. So we're going to try to see if we get the cars to move up and then get these guys out of the water. Okay? Corner. Corner. How you doing? We're stuck on both ends, so we're trying to see if we can get these cars on both sides so we can get these guys out because they're going to be flooded in a minute. So see if you can squeeze in, okay? See if you could, see if you could move over close to the side as possible. Thank you. We're stuck on both sides. Both ends we're stuck. So you guys are gonna probably get stuck soon. So we're trying to make a little lane in the middle so you guys can move out. All right. So let me talk to this lady and then try to see if you can move in there so she could follow. Okay. Hello. So we're stuck on both ends of the highway and they're being flooded on both sides. So see if you could squeeze in all the way. Yeah, so that way we could get these cars out of the water, okay? Yeah, because you're going to get stuck soon. How you doing? We're trying to see if we could get some of these cars out of the water because they're getting stuck soon. You have a truck, so you may be able to. Same thing. It's flooded out both ends. There's cars stuck on that end. They can't get out either. All right? Yeah. Hi. We're trying to get a little pathway cleared because there's both flooding on both sides. So you're gonna try to see if you could get up close, and then we're gonna try to see if we could get as many cars to move as possible. I don't think there's any tow truck coming down here.
Okay, so there's someone stuck.
And they're stuck. There's 3 cars stuck down there at the other end that they may have to go around and try to pull them out.
Okay. So
All
we're
right.
trying to move up just so we can.
So
get
you
the
guys
high
don't
ground.
get stuck too. Exactly. You're welcome. Yeah, we moved some of them up so they're not too close to the water. So it's only going to buy us a little bit of time. Yeah, it's flooded back there as well, and it's flooded up here. So I don't know if they got a tow truck over here yet to clear those cars, but at least for now we can't go anywhere because we're flooded in. Yeah, both sides.
And there's cars that are stuck down there.
Yes, there's 3 cars stuck down there.
And then even if they get those cars through, we can't go through.
Exactly, because they're stuck. They're trying. They're trying to control the traffic that way and on the end here, and then they're gonna work on trying to clear this side. Okay. All right. Okay. Hey, we're flooded in, man. We're stuck. Hey, turn your wiper off for a minute. We're flooded in, so we're just trying to see if we can get those cars to move up.
That's their job.
Yeah, they're controlling traffic there and on the other end and trying to, clear it. And then hopefully, we're stuck, man. So we're just trying to see how much we can prevent other cars from getting stuck at this point.
These guys don't know how to back up.
No, the problem is we're flooded in on both ends. Yeah, we can't go. I mean, if you have a truck, you probably could get through, but still a small percentage of, getting through. You're probably going to get stuck. We're going to have to just wait. There's really nothing they can do, unfortunately. If it gets too bad, I'm going to probably say that people going to have to start, gathering their stuff and getting out, Let's see if the rain stops. All right.
They have to unblock the highway because there is car in the middle of the highway to move back. That's a problem.
Yeah, but it's worse down there. It's flooded even more. So I don't know how much.
They're gonna have to push cars.
Yeah.
Because the police cannot even pass through there.
Yeah, he's stuck in here too.
Yeah, he's stuck.
Yeah.
Ah,
Well, we see what we can do, you know.
Yeah.
We just have to pray the rain stops.
Yeah. But I don't want it to be too late
Because if not, I think we're gonna have to figure a way of starting to get out. Because this entire thing is gonna get flooded soon.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, you want to help me try to separate them up there?
Here.
Keep going back. Try to get no English? Okay. Corner, side, okay? All the way, over. Over. Right, over there. Good, good. See.